Yep. Let me just connect the wireless mic. I want to show you something. Finally got my handlebars for my Harley. I'm going to take it to drop it. I'm going to drop it to Harley and get them fitted because I haven't got time to do it myself because it just needs a lot of time, and honestly I'm really backed up this week and really busy. Right, let me get myself situated. By the way, check this out. Lean into the wind. If you haven't been following this channel, I highly recommend to watch this channel. I love watching this channel. And I like the t-shirt I bought from this channel. And I bought 4 other colors. I bought the white one, the stonewash blue, I bought the gray, and this is the black version, and I bought the white one too. Yep, I bought all of them in the whole collection, except for the hoodie. I think it's the last thing I need to buy one day. Anyway, let me get myself ready. Just bear with me a second. So remember I did a Moto vlog a while back talking about the helmet. This is my chin mount, as you can see, mount to the front. Change the visor to the black visor because I love running a black visor rather than a clear visor for me. Everyone's different, but for me, I need the black visor. Yeah. I've got an ND8 on the Action 6 Pro. No, Action 6. It's not called Pro, is it? I don't know. Oh. So this is the LS2 helmet. This is what I mean. See the cheeks, the way it pushed toward this? And that's what makes it difficult. See, yeah, I can talk better. But when I have my cheeks like this, it makes it challenging to talk. Nevertheless, not a problem. Get the mic in position, like so. And I think this way, that way doesn't matter. Yeah. Let me get my chin strap on. Visor down. Chin mount down. Like so. There you go. Locked into place. Right. Get my gloves on. Well, start the bike as well. Yeah. Yeah. I'm loving it. I love these gloves. They're easier to wear. But I also have my leather gloves, which I like even more. Here we go. I will put you on a helmet soon. Just when it's ready to, I'll do it. But I wanted this view for now because I want to see what my LS2 helmet looks like with the black visor on. You know, it'd help if you close your jacket, Dumbo. Yeah, it would, wouldn't it, right? Hold on a minute. Here we go. Yeah. Let me just zip this up. I might actually just keep in this position because I like this position for now. Now, will I change over later on? I don't know, it depends. It all depends. Come on. That's the way it is, right? When you want things to be done, it can't be done. Not as easy anyway. Right. Now, let's rock and roll. Here we go. Yeah. Yes, I'm learning how to talk with my cheeks pushed towards each other, squished in the helmet. I think after a while maybe the helmet will break in and everything will be fine. Yeah, so I'm going to take the Road King Special, drop it off at Harley. Now I normally do all my bars myself, but as I said, I'm really busy. I've got a ride this weekend that I haven't got time to waste. Oh, itchy nose. And I want quickly done, and I just don't have the time because I've got my walks and so forth, and I got kids. So yeah, just enjoy the ride for now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm gonna have my bars swapped out from 14 to 16s, so my hands will be like here, much better. And the reason why I'm swapping out these bars is basically because these have a bend towards outwards and I don't like it, and 14 just doesn't do it for me. So I found out that out of all the Harleys I owned during my lifetime, you see, if I have a road glide, I'd stick with 14s. That's the perfect height for me. On a street glide, 12s, 12 inches. On Softails, Diners, if I run Apes, 16. Yeah, I should have done it from the beginning, but when I first bought the Road King Special, I can't ride with the stock handlebars. That's just me. Everyone's different. So I should have done it the first time round. I know. What to do? That's just life. I think I'm gonna change over the camera view so you can see what I see too. But I just want to see what this helmet looks like from the side, looking around, and just to get a feel and look for this helmet. So this has been one of my favorite helmets at the moment. It's a modular helmet. I run, what other brands do I have? I have Rock helmets, which also I love. I also have Shoei, and now this one has two. Yeah, I have about 3 or 4 Rocks, different designs. I have the Riddler, I have the Ghost Edition, I have the, I can't remember that one. Anyway, not important. And one more. I forgot which one. I also have a Harley Bell open face helmet too. Yeah. Enjoying the ride, people, just enjoy the ride. I'm not going to talk now because I'm just slightly above 80, so the sound's going to be, because I've done my test, and once I get onto the main highway, I'm just going to stop to the side before we get into the highway and switch out the camera location, and then we'll take it from there. I'll drop down the mileage too to about 60, have that sweet spot, because I want my sound quality to be good. Yeah. So I discovered that on a bike like this with no fairing, I can't run anything below 16s because my position of my shoulders is much more comfortable at 16, and I get that same kind of feeling on a road glide and a street glide with the different size heights I just explained previously. So every bike's different. Plus I like that look over there, just hanging and enjoying the ride. And I get that 16s. Yeah, I didn't find an exit stop, so you have to bear with me. This type of look. Oh my god, I can see some swirl marks on the ND lens. I've got to wipe it down. Oh well. I hope it's not going to affect the footage. purpose of having this, I'm going to raise my voice a bit. So the whole purpose of having this ND8 filter is to test out the motion blur on this Action 6, right? And I have it facing me. Dummy. Oh well, don't worry. I'm going to find a lay-by shortly and get it swapped around, and I'll get you facing forward shortly, in a minute. Let me enjoy the ride for now. Oh, I should have been shouting, right? Oh, this is perfect. See the sun. Don't worry, I have loads of motor vlogs to come up anyway on the channel. Yeah, so I've got my handlebars strapped to the back and locked into the back passenger pillion, otherwise it was just going to be a nightmare. So what I'll do also when I reach Harley, I'll show you what the bars look like, the before, and then the follow-up to this video will be the after, what it looks like. Now, do I release today's footage? I don't know. And if I do, I'll just add this before and after to the next video. It's okay, we're creating content. You don't have to worry about how things go and how it should be. Just be you and just enjoy creating content, remember? Wow, it's weird the way my cheeks are really squished in. I don't like being stuck behind two cars that are not moving, and right in front of them it's just empty road. I'm locked in between two. Yeah, here we go. Thank you. Yeah, so I discovered also how to get the engine noise dialed into the audio quality just by pairing up two mics, which I will do, sorry. I'm telling you, you try squishing your cheeks together and speak, and tell me how that goes for you. Yeah. You know, it's funny that when you want things to happen, it doesn't go your way. Like, for example, I was looking for, cars to stop during traffic. Oh no, because I wanted to switch out the camera to have it on my helmet, it's not going to happen, is it? It's going to be smooth sailing, traffic, smooth sailing. That's always the law of way of life. Sod's law, as they say. It's always the way. Yes. When you want traffic to come to a stop, it doesn't. And when you don't want it, it's traffic. Yeah, we'll see. I could, I don't know, we'll see. I want to switch out this camera to the front facing the road, because you probably got bored of looking at me for so long now. You want to see what's around me. On. Give me the opportunity to switch out the camera point of view. Ah, yes. Again, I've got itchy nose. Oh. Let me in, coming through. Okay. Now you want to go left, and yet you won't let me come in right. strange. Right. What's up with this? All of a sudden I feel itchy. Yeah. Oh, right. Leaning into the road. Yeah, this might be an opportunity where I can switch out the camera. We'll see. Tanya, for some reason my nose is itching me like crazy. So the new bars too is going to be 1.5 inch thick, and then it tapers down to the clamping area to 1 inch, and I've got an adapter for that because the Road King Special comes with a 1.25 riser, the clamping area, and these bars that's on it now, it's 1.25 all the way around. Looks skinny for a Road King, that's why I say 1.5. We just fill in that look perfectly for the Road King. Again, different opinions, everyone's got different points of views of how they like their bars and thickness and so forth, but for me, for Road King Softail, I think 1.5 is a nice sweet spot to be at. But you know what, I could be wrong. Maybe the bars are 1.25. No, because the clamping area drops down to 1 inch. We'll see, we'll see. By the way, I'm not going to do any splash screen edits or fonts or comments on this video. Just leave it as it is, baby. Leave it as is. Yeah, see? I told you, sod's law. I'm not going to be able to do anything. I'm not going to be able to swap out this camera to have it front facing. Oh well. Ooh, I might be able to, because it looks like the traffic's slowing down. I'm going to have to stop shortly. If I do, 1 second, I can just change it around. Yeah, come on. The day you want the traffic to stop, it doesn't stop. And you don't want it to stop. See, if it was an open road and it wasn't busy, I'd just put a cruise control and I can swap out the camera. But not when it's like this. No way. Safety first, always. This is where I think 2 cameras would have come in handy, right? Yeah, bozo. You should have had another camera mounted on your helmet. At least that way you could edit the footage into this one. But oh no. But you see, some people don't have two action cameras. One has to do. So what do you do? You work with what you have. Yeah. So come on. La, 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 la. What am I even singing? I don't know. I do apologize, people. You know what? I'm going to change up the way I do things on my channel. So a thought just came to my mind. We'll see. Yeah, told you, sod's law. It's not gonna happen. Oh well, what I'll do, I'll switch over the camera when I reach Harley and then go over the bike so I can show you what I'm gonna do. At least that way, on the ride way back, when I do get my Harley, when I pick it up, sorry, at least I'll have a front-facing view and I won't be doing a view on me, let me tell you. Or get another action camera out, mount on my helmet so I have two action cameras go at the same time. Oh yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Lesson learned again. See? Keep learning. Keep learning. We have finally reached the Harley-Davidson dealership. You know, I actually love doing the job myself on my bike, but with the handlebar swap, I like to take my time, and it's going to take a lot of time. And when I have the time, I'll do it. But when I don't have the time, I like, you know what, just get someone else to do it for me. Because the bike's sitting at home while I'm at work, that's just, you know, usable time that can be done to get a job done by somebody else. Not for free, of course, you have to pay for it, but you know. Ooh, what I can do is pull up the side here and change the camera point of view. At least that way you can see me rolling up to the Harley dealership. Hold up. Oh. Is it clamped in? I heard a click, but I don't know. Just to be safe, because the last thing I want to do is drop this camera. Right, here we go. Just scary, you know. It feels like it's not clicked into place, but here we go. Yeah, so this handlebar setup's got to change. So the next time you see me on this Harley, these handlebars will not be the ones on this bike. Oh yes. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to explain to you quickly right now. These are my Thrash and Supply floorboards. The complete setup is done, and so this is what's going to change now. I'll show you here. See the way these bars curl that way? I don't like that. I don't like it at all. Right, I'm going to have to end it now, and I'll see you all on the next one for this follow-up with the new bars on. So I might just save this video for the before and after. That's the crown I was telling you about, where the key goes. Looks sick, right? Yeah, my red. So I'll see you all. I don't know how this is going to happen, or what's going to happen. Do I upload this? Do I not upload this? Stop overthinking of it. That's it. I'm out.